You can have the most beautiful or handsome face in the world, but if there are bluish, unsightly bulging veins on your legs, then it is enough to make you or anyone feel insecure or even embarrassed. But then, what if there is a way you can get rid of those bulges from your skin's surface forever? Happy Body Care Day everyone, and welcome to the Body Care Guru channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing varicose veins, its warning signs, and 4 unbelievable but totally effective ways to cure it. Be ready to get your mind blown because solution number 4 is something you've always had but didn't know can help you get rid of varicose veins. Caused by weak valves and valves, varicose veins are veins that are twisted, swollen, and enlarged, and appear as bluish or dark purplish bulges on the skin's surface. Any vein on the body can become varicose, but the most common place for varicose veins to occur are the legs and feet. While varicose veins do not necessarily pose a threat health-wise, it can be uncomfortable and embarrassing, especially for people who love to show skin. Imagine wearing shorts and having to deal with several dark purple bulging lines. So not comfy, right? Plus, if varicose veins is left unattended to, it can lead to serious problems for the skin, and even increase one's risk of getting health issues like ulcers and infections. Although similar in some ways to varicose veins, spider veins should not be mistaken for varicose veins as they are different. As a smaller, milder variation of varicose veins, spider veins are generally not as serious as varicose veins, even though they are caused by the same factor, which is the weakening of the valves. The way these two appear is also different. Spider veins, just like its name, appears on the surface of the skin like spider webs. They do not bulge and are not as painful as varicose veins. Currently, more than 40 million people in the United States suffer from varicose veins. Mind you, in 2016, the number used to be just a little over 30 million. This is to show the extent at which this condition has increased in the last 6 years. At this point in the video, you already know that varicose veins are caused by weak vein walls and valves leading to twisted blood vessels. But veins don't just become twisted and enlarged. There must be something responsible for this, right? So, what exactly causes veins that were once perfectly fine to become varicosed? Let's educate ourselves a little bit on that. In the veins, there are one-way valves that allow blood to go in a single direction, which is towards the heart. But if the walls surrounding the veins become weak, then these valves will also get weak. And the valves getting weak means that blood will stop flowing one way and start flowing where it isn't supposed to, which is the reversed direction. When this happens, blood starts to accumulate in the veins, causing the veins to become large, twisted, and swollen. And that is when those colored bulges start to appear on the surface of the skin. While anyone can have varicose veins, there are risk factors that make some people more likely to have them than others, with the first being family history. Research has shown that almost 50% of the people with varicose veins have a family history of it. If there is someone in your family with varicose veins, then be cautious and observant of any change on your skin, as there is now a higher chance of developing this venous disorder. Standing or walking for long periods. When you stand or walk for a long time, the pressure on the veins in your legs increases. Also, moving around helps the blood to flow easily, but when you stay rooted to one spot for long periods, it can really be bad for your veins. If you work a job that requires you to stand for long duration, then you may want to consider taking breaks to move around a little to lessen the pressure on your legs. Obesity is another factor that puts excess pressure on your veins and makes them more prone to weakening. Aging. Approximately 50% of over 50-year-olds in the US have varicose veins. As you get older, your valves start to experience wear and tear that can naturally cause them to weaken, hence resulting in varicose veins. Pregnancy. During pregnancy, there are hormonal changes. The walls of the blood vessels become relaxed, thereby depreciating the function of the valve. There is also increased blood volume during pregnancy. All these makes pregnant women more susceptible to getting varicose veins. Gender. Birth control, menstruation amongst other factors are what make women more likely to develop varicose veins than men. Research has also shown that women are 4 times more likely to develop varicose veins than men. Before the vein becomes visibly varicosed, there are some signs that will warn you of the impending condition. One of the signs you will first notice is heaviness in the legs. If your legs start to feel heavy like they are being weighed down by something, then it is possible you're experiencing one of the common signs of varicose veins. Several factors like dehydration, straining on the muscles, inactivity, amongst others can be responsible for muscle cramps. However, as much as it is possible that any of these factors can be the cause of muscle cramps, it may also be that you have varicose veins. Red spots on legs. Before bluish or dark purplish veins start to appear, what you will first see are red spots on the skin. This serves as a clear indication that the valves are weakened and the veins are varicosed. And if urgent care is not taken, then the enlarged bulges will start appearing. Throbbing or soreness in the legs. If you start to experience an unusual soreness or ache in your legs, especially after standing or walking for a long time, then it might be a sign that you're having an early sign of varicose veins. Swelling in the legs. Notice that your feet, ankles, and legs are starting to swell without you hurting them? Then you might want to pay a closer attention to them, as it is one of the telltale signs that blood vessels are twisted and enlarged. Skin discoloration. Brown discolorations on the skin can mean that a condition like varicose veins is on its way. So, we have known the causes, we are aware of the risk factors, and by now, we even know all the warning signs of varicose veins. But how do you get rid of these unsightly bulges from your skin? Here are 4 totally unbelievable but unbelievably effective cure for varicose veins that, if used accordingly, will help you naturally get rid of varicose veins from your skin. Number 1. Gotu kola. Also known as Centella asiatica or pennywort, gotu kola is a plant from the parsley family and has been used for centuries both in traditional Chinese medicine and Indian Ayurvedic medicine. Cure-all should be added to the herb's name, because in the past, it has been used to treat lots of conditions, ranging from indigestion to ulcer, asthma, Alzheimer's, wounds, to mention a few. And presently, this herb is getting known for being the ultimate treatment for varicose veins. Numerous studies have also shown that indeed gotu kola can help treat varicose veins. According to the American Cancer Society, gotu kola reduces swelling of the lower body and also reduces leaking of the vein walls, thus preventing blood pooling, which can in turn cause varicose veins. This is to show that gotu kola is not only meant for people who already have varicose veins. Those without the condition can also use this herb to prevent its occurrence. As the saying goes, prevention is better than cure. To get rid of varicose veins, use 60 mg of gotu kola every day to obtain the best results. Keep using FIT a month and watch as your varicose veins gradually and steadily goes away. If you are a pregnant woman or nursing mother, then it would be best to consult your doctor before using this herb. Also, if you have some health issues such as liver problems, then you should definitely ask your physician for advice before you use the herb. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is very well known and has been used in the past and is still being used to cure several conditions. But what many people might not know is that apple cider vinegar can help you get rid of varicose veins for life. Unbelievable, you say? Well, why don't you try it first? After all, if you never try, you never know. Different researchers and studies have shown that apple cider vinegar helps in improving blood circulation. It has also been found to ease the heaviness and swelling that comes with varicose veins symptoms. Regular, dedicated use of this treatment will help you bid adios to varicose veins in no time. To use, moisten your cotton wool with apple cider vinegar and gently apply on affected area. Do this right before you go to bed and leave it to do its work overnight. For faster results, add a teaspoon and a half to a glass of water. Drink twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Do these consistently and within 8 weeks, you should see desired results. Number 3. Horse chestnut seed extract. There is an active compound present in horse chestnut seed extract known as action. This compound is responsible for all the medicinal benefits horse chestnut has to offer, which includes protecting the cells lining the veins, treating the symptoms of CVI, chronic venous insufficiency, one of which is varicose veins. Take horse chestnut seed extract twice every day and watch as varicose vein become a thing of the past. Number 4. Garlic and onion. Onion is so popular and easy to find, people sometimes forget the immense benefits it can offer the body. Same goes for garlic, but as simple and easy to find as these two are, what if I tell you that they're in fact one of the best cures for varicose veins? There is a special property that you can find in abundance in both garlic and onion, and it is known as flavonoids. Studies in the past have connected flavonoids to diminishing appearance of varicose veins. Apart from that, flavonoids help in strengthening the vein walls, thus preventing them from getting weak. This remedy can be said to be performing 2 functions. It helps treat varicose veins as well as prevent them. To use this cure, you will need 6 garlic cloves, 1 medium-sized onion, and 5 teaspoons of olive oil. In a bowl, extract the juice from your garlic, cloves, and onion. Then add the olive oil and give it a good mix. Apply the mixture on the affected area. Do this twice a day for 2 months and you will never have to be embarrassed because of varicose veins ever again. Want more videos like this? Then subscribe and turn on the notifications so as to not miss out on videos like this and much more. Take care.